Health insurance in Australia, it can feel overwhelming, confusing, and even a little bit frustrating. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you in plain English. Let's start with the basics. Australia has a universal healthcare system called Medicare. It covers things like doctor visits, public hospital treatment, and some prescription medications. GP visits, public hospital treatment, select medications under the PBS. But Medicare doesn't cover everything. That's where private health insurance comes in. It can help cover extras like dental, optical, physio, and private hospital care. There are two main types of private health insurance: hospital cover and extras cover. You can get one, or both, depending on your needs. Hospital cover helps pay for treatment in private hospitals or as a private patient in a public hospital. That means shorter wait times and choosing your own doctor. Extras cover, sometimes called ancillary cover, helps pay for services not covered by Medicare, like dental, glasses, and physio. Now, here's a little money tip. If you earn over a certain amount and don't have private hospital cover, you'll pay a tax called the Medicare levy surcharge. So getting insurance can actually save you money. Plus, if you take out private cover before you turn 31, you avoid the lifetime health cover loading, an extra fee added to your premium if you delay. When comparing policies, use the government's website. It's free, unbiased, and helps you compare apples to apples. And remember, the cheapest policy isn't always the best. Think about what services you actually use. Love your chiro or need regular dental? Make sure they're covered. Still confused? Don't be afraid to call the insurer and ask questions. Or speak with a registered health insurance broker. Their advice is usually free. Health insurance in Australia doesn't have to be complicated. Know your needs, shop around, and understand what you're paying for. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful guides, and drop any questions you have in the comments below.